Hey guys, today we will see what is Angular and why we should use Angular as a front-end application. So before going into Angular, we will see what is single page application, in short SPA, and difference between SPA and MPA, that is multi-page application, and their pros and cons. Single page application loads very fast because it's pre-compiled and the whole app will be in and around 700 KB. This 700 KB contains all the pages. It loads only once, means for every URL the framework takes care of which part to display, and it is easily debuggable in dev environment. It works offline because the whole application is loaded only once and is available in the browser. It is easy to convert such application to mobile app using CodeOver-like plugins because it is not tightly coupled with the backend. Here is a simple example to demonstrate the above key points. It has 3 pages: base, home and base/ch. Once we load the base for the first time, we can see these files got downloaded. But when we change the URL to home, it renders from those JavaScript and HTML and doesn't download any other files. Similarly, for path home/ch, we can see that no other extra files is downloaded. This feature also makes it load very fast, and it can work offline as the binary codes are already present in the browser. Since it doesn't depend on the backend to receive the HTML files, such applications can easily be converted to Android or iOS applications. Main advantage of single page application is it doesn't work if JavaScript is disabled, and if not properly taken care, cross-site attack can be done. Making the application optimum for search engine is a tough job. Whereas in multi-page application is SEO friendly, but it is tightly coupled with backend. Every page request is served separately and the backend renders the HTML content and sends the file back to the browser, which also makes it difficult to make a hybrid mobile application. There are various single page applications framework like Angular, React, Vue.js, Backbone.js. From ECMAScript 5 and above, it makes developer life very easy by using modules, classes and object-oriented JavaScript. And from ES6 we can use arrow function. We'll check all these in our later tutorials. You can just check the playlist in the description below. Angular 2, which uses TypeScript, can leverage those module, classes and interface and make a MVC pattern UI application, where the view is the HTML and the CSS, model is data binding and the model class, and component is the services and the components in JavaScript or TypeScript format. TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript. Browser doesn't understand anything other than JavaScript and HTML. So when an Angular or any TypeScript code is built, the framework or the plugin takes care of compiling it to JavaScript format. In Angular application, memory leakage may happen, which need to be taken care using lifecycle events like destroy. To get started, we will use Angular CLI, which gives us the boilerplate code. Like Spring and .NET application, we can use dependency injection in Angular, and using routing, we can navigate to different URLs and restrict users from accessing certain pages using guard, which is a part of routing. Angular 2 and above has maximum performance due to minimized size. And we can even lazy load specific routes, so the code for the route is not downloaded to the browser until the user accesses the feature associated with that route. You are watching CodeSpace tutorial and I am Gaurav Paul. In this playlist we have routers and navigations, 2 services, REST API calls and backend integration. Third, storage in Angular like cookies, local storage and session storage and their differences. Fourth, 3 types of communication between components, parent, child and between siblings. Fifth, integration with material styles. Sixth, build for various stages like test, QA or production environment. Seventh, the whole new series on AG-Grid and data table using AG-Grid. We will make real-time web application using Angular and convert this application to mobile application targeting both iOS and Android. If this video is any help, then hit the like icon, subscribe to the channel CodeSpace and get notified by clicking notification bell icon for upcoming tutorials on Angular, cloud technology and Node.js and other live sessions. For queries or if you want me to cover any topics, then leave your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.